Hey everyone, I'm going to do one more box tonight. Box 2. A box full of vintage sewing machine parts. Second one of many. We're going to try the manual focus this time. There we go, I have a little more control. Alright, that's from the last parts, from the last box. Alright, so let's try this here. Manual focus here. Let's see if that works out a little better. I noticed the last one we were focused here, but over here on this end we weren't focused. Alright, let's open it up. More of these little boxes. We gotta point her down more. Okay, once again, let's just pull these boxes out first. We're looking like belts. Looking like belts here, which is cool. Alright. That's a good shipping box still. We'll set that right here. Okay, focused. Alright. I got these little glass containers. Well, they're not, they're plastic. I thought it'd be kind of cool, you could see what's in them. There's 6 of them here for miscellaneous stuff I set up. Alright, so first one. Wow, this is cool. 14 bucks. Manual focus, I like it. Look at that. $13.89, and someone just requested. I wonder if I shipped it out yet. I don't think I shipped it out yet. She was looking for this little tiny 7-inch belt. But it does say 9 7/8. So imagine how small a 7-inch belt is. This is 9 7/8. She was looking for a 7. Ooh, more of them. It's called a belt lug, and it's marked. This one says 10.5 inches. This is sweet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these little baby belts. All right, cool. Well, I want just one box of belts. This little box systems. Well, we'll stick them back in here for now. All right. $59.95. I kid you not. Look at this price tag. $59.95 for a silly little belt. Okay, that's crazy. That's crazy. What is this? Looks like something. Some sewing machines use these kind of chain belts, and there's 1, 2, 3. Yay! What else? Pfaff belt. Nice. I love the way, like, all model 1035, 70. I love the way they sure help with my researching. More belts labeled. Here's those what I might have been looking for. Let me see. Like, I got this to compare to. So if this is a, let's give me one with the number on it. So if this is a 10.25 inch belt, and I just got this belt, looks like I just found, if you're watching, I just found your 7-inch belt. Yes, that is a small belt. All right, cool. And there's 3 of them. 3 of them. Anybody else needs a 7-inch belt? I'm guessing it's about 7. They're tiny. All right, more belts. Beautiful. They got numbers on them. Nice belts. Some crazy old school belts here. And we're just getting tons of these just empty boxes. We're just gonna have to, until we get the shelves over here. I have shelves for these boxes, believe it or not. They came with the deal. So, more belts. Anything in this piece of paper? We got a trash box going now. Alright. Much better than box one. I'm happy. I'm happy. Belts are labeled with measurements, 13 3/8. Wow, wow, wow. They wanted a lot of money for their belts. $14? Really? 14 bucks? Come on now. Come on. It's like a $2, $3 belt. 14 bucks. Come on now. Alright, what else we got here? I ain't kidding you. Look. I don't know, the price is on here somewhere. 13 somewhere. $13.95. We have 13 1/4 inch belts. It's a good size for many machines. There's a bag of trash. Yes! Yes! I thought this was the smallest belt in the world. I was wrong. This is the smallest belt in the world. Oh, they're about the same size. Look at that. Woohoo! Look at how tiny. I now am the owner of some tiny, tiny belts. For those looking, because I'll tell you what, those tiny belts are really hard to find. Very hard to find. Alright, more belts, labeled with size, more belts, yay! Alright. More belts, more belts. Let's just dump it out. Let's just show everybody how many belts we got. We're probably not going to end up winning these boxes anyways. Alright, more belts. We'll call this the belt box. And we're going to have to get rid of some of these. Look at all these little boxes that are accumulated. That's what took up a lot of space. Hey, get out, back over here. Make sure these boxes are empty. Alright, here you have it, box number 2. The belt box. The belt box. I don't know if anybody can tell me what these belts go to. So, yeah, there's 3 of those. Anybody needs belts, let me know. Hope you're enjoying the video. A lot more box videos to come. Thanks for watching.